Today, we're going to mask a graphic and I'm going to show you how. It's super easy with Canva's new feature called Magic Grab. Go to the Elements tab on your design and search for Abstract Shape. We're going to slide over to the Graphics tab and choose one. I'm actually going to just choose this one and I'm going to make it larger. The next thing we need to do is change the color. So we're going to click the Color tab and type in brown. The color brown is key. I have tried a couple of different colors. This one by far has worked the best. We're going to go back to the Elements tab and type in pumpkin. And I've decided I'm going to try something a little more complex than a pumpkin. Here is this spider web. We're going to see if this would work too. What you want to make sure is that the color of your spider web is the same color as your background. In this case, they are white. Click on share, click on download, and then all we need to do is click download. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because I'm going to upload that image back into Canva and put it on this page. To show you whether this works or not, what I'm going to do is change the background to a black. Click on Edit Photo. And while we could use the background remover, I'm actually going to choose Magic Grab. Magic Grab is a brand new feature within Canva that will take the foreground from the background. Now, I can't tell yet whether it actually did what it wanted. So what I'm going to do is remove this background and I can see that I can actually see through the spider web. What I'm going to do is just make this a little bit bigger. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add an orange picture. Let's try this one. And I'm just going to stretch it out over the spider web. Layers panel will really help you out here, but you can also just right click, select layer, and send this to the back. If you decide you don't like that one, then you could choose something else instead. So we're going to click position, go to layers, and I'm going to take this and left click and slide it right underneath. I really don't like the way that one looks, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. This is the special part. What you need to do is use the Draw app. Draw app should be over on the left-hand side of your canvas. We're going to change this color, but we want this color to be the same exact color as that. Because I'm in the Chrome tab, what I can do is add a new color, use the eyedropper tool, and select that color from the spider web. And then I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go ahead and type in 100 for the marker weight. And this is where the magic comes in because all we're going to do, and it's so simple, color in all of the black and everything that you do not want to see. And we're just going to leave behind the spider web. Here we go. I see a couple spots here that need to be filled in. So we have our spider web with the gradient of the photo. Click share, download. Here we go, PNG. I'm just going to add a new page here and bring that in. You can bring it in like I did just now or like I did the original one. We're going to use that Magic Grab feature again. Edit photo, Magic Grab, and we're going to take the spider web away from the background. If you would like to use this more frequently, then what you can do is download this, add a transparent background to it. You would download it like this and put it in your uploads folder, maybe even create a new folder for Halloween stuff or whatever that it's similar to and use it in multiple designs. If you want to learn more about how to use Canva, and my specialty is how to use Canva for YouTube, then check out this video over here and I'll see you next time. Bye.